Remembering Junaid Jamshed, an emotional and inspirational UK tour with Imam Qasim and Al-Khair Foundation, in commemoration of our dearly departed brother and fellow humanitarian. Special guests will share personal accounts of their time with Junaid Jamshed. Together, we'll fundraise for life-saving projects, embracing our dear brother's legacy. Join us on Sunday the 25th December in Birmingham at the CSN Centre. Tuesday the 27th December in Oldham at the Grand Venue Banqueting Hall, and Thursday the 29th December in Leicester at the venue. Registration required. Special guests Umar Isa and Najm Shiraz will perform nasheeds and naats in memory of our beloved brother. Reserve your free seats now by calling 03000 999 786. For further information, please visit the website at alkhair.org.